Thank you for buying this 11608 triple greeting card holder from Fixture Displays. This is a very versatile rack that is designed for wall mount, and these are all the components you're going to get. If you bought a single or double, the assembly principle is the same. So you have this horizontal bar and vertical bars, and left and right side pockets, and hardware. The older versions does not come with screws, so you're going to need your own screws. The strips are different on both ends. One that is longer is facing the bottom. You see the hole through the edge is shorter, that's face up. To insert the pockets, you want tilt, insert, and then line up, pull, and then push the middle. That will snap it in nicely. Don't push too hard, you can bend the wire, and if you do, you can bend it back. For the standard configuration, you want to leave one hole in between. And certainly once you understand the principle, you can determine how you want to insert your pockets. You can use less to accommodate taller cards, or more if you are displaying shorter cards. Now once we have the strips properly installed with pockets, we're going to hook that onto the upper bar. The bars are the same, and we continue. Make sure they are mirror images of each other. Again, you could be purchasing a single one for a much wider product, like a calendar, but principle is the same. In this case, we're demonstrating a triple holder section. In other words, you have 3 strips, total 12 spots for this particular configuration. Now we're going to snap the bottom bar onto the strips. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@fixturedisplays.com. We also have countertop units. Part number is 11602. Again, some of the versions does not come with a wood screw or drywall screw. You would want to use your own. Now we'll simply fasten this to your wall, and the only thing left to do is to adjust the width for best performance. If you have any questions, our email again is cs@fixturedisplays.com. Measurements: left to right about 21 inches, including the pockets, and top to bottom. Front to back is 2.4 inches. Top to bottom, 24.5 inches. The depth of the pockets are 1.1 inches. To adjust, you simply slide the hanging bars left or right. Again, the depth of the pockets are 1.1 inches. In this configuration, you can put cards as tall as 6 inches in there. But you can install less or more pockets to accommodate your particular needs. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other greeting card solutions we have to offer. Name a few: try 11602, 11702, 11875, range from small countertop to large floor rotating displays. As you can see, you can do horizontal, vertical. This is super versatile rack. You're gonna love it. If you like this video, subscribe, like us, and remember, leave a good seller feedback and product review on whatever marketplace you're purchasing our products. If you have a custom requirement with some quantity, we love the opportunity to make it just for you. Thank you so much for shopping Picture Displays.